then once I fry, well grill down on there, yeah, you already know. Yes, sir. I'm just about to take the first one. Damn, come on, man. See, look, that shit already peeling. No, I'm about to get a different one. Let's try again. Damn. Yeah, plant. Man, what? Nah, get your ass up. Yes, sir. Man, you. Lay your ass down. Shit, I'm like, oh, nah, yeah, I'm about to get this third one on here. Fuck all that. Let's get it. Look at that shit, man. Otherwise, frying. This is what I'm about to do. Press. Press. Damn, how the fuck is this sticking to the goddamn, what's the name of it? Nah. See, look, we gonna press it. Dip. Shit, fuck it. Dip. Shit, we gonna let that bitch sit. I don't give a fuck. We're gonna do this one the same way. Press, press, press. That bitch ain't stick, so yeah, dip. Hood meals, like I'm telling y'all, look, press. We got both. Oh no, I gotta move that bitch around. There we go. There we go. Cool. All right, so check this out. God dang, this motherfucker actually is doing this thing. Hold on, let's check the other side. Oh yeah, I'm about to turn this up. Yeah, it's doing this thing. Yes, sir, the same batter. Let's get it. Let's go. Now we're going for the flip. Let's go. That's fucking perfect.